Welcome everyone. I Ramnesh Kumar Sahu of class 9th A is here. So what topic we are going to discuss about today? Yes, we are going to discuss about is matter around us pure? So let's find the answer. So first of all, what is a matter? A matter is something which occupies space, possesses mass and offers resistance to any stress applied on it. We can broadly classify matter on the basis of its chemical composition and purity into two types, pure substance and impure, or the mixtures. So, mixtures can also be classified as homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture, and pure substances can be classified as compounds and elements. Solution is an example of homogeneous mixture, and there are two types of heterogeneous mixture, colloids and suspensions. Now let's find what is a pure substance. Pure means that there is no mixing in substance. A pure substance is made up of the same kind of elements. Example, 24 carat of gold, or pure water, fat, protein, etc. Calcium, magnesium, sodium, etc. or pure air which only comprises of nitrogen or pure oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, etc. Now, what is a mixture? A mixture is constitutes of two or more substances in any proportion. Example, air is a mixture of oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and other gases. There are two types of mixtures, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. These mixture uh, which have no visible boundaries of separation between substances and having a uniform layer is and it's in a uniform composition is known as the homogeneous mixture. Example, sugar in water, salt in water or a lemonade. Now heterogeneous mixture. These mixtures has visible boundaries of separation between substances and it is having non-uniform composition. For example, chalk in water, sand in water, etc. Now let's talk about the solution. What is a true solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Example, sugar solution, salt solution. Solution have two components, solute and solvent. Solute is the substance which is being dissolved in the solvent, and substances in which the solute is being dissolved is known as the solvent. For example, sugar is the solute and water is solvent. Water is an universal solvent because it dissolves a maximum amount of materials on earth. Now other examples of solution like solution of sugar in water, tincture of iodine, soda water, mixture of air, nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21%. The more amount of the substance is known as the solvent and the lesser amount which is being dissolved is known as the solute. Now the concentration of solution. On the basis of concentration of solution, it can be classified into dilute solution, concentrated solution and saturated solution. A solution that contains less amount of solute is called dilute solution. For example, dilute hydrochloric acid. Concentrated solution that contain high amount of solute is called concentrated solution. Saturated solution. When no more solute can be dissolved in solution at the given temperature, then it is called saturated solution. Saturation of solution can be increased by increasing the temperature because of the increase in the interparticle space between the particles. Now the properties of solution or true solution. The size of the solute particles are very small, less than 1 nanometer or 10 raised to the power minus 9 of meter. Solute particles cannot be seen by naked eyes. Particles do not scatter a beam of light. Path of beam light not visible in solution. That means it doesn't show any Tyndall effect. Particles can't be separated by filtration. And it's a stable solution and uniform mixture. How to find concentration of solution? There are two methods like mass by mass percentage. where we divide the mass of solute by the mass of solution and multiply it by 100, and the mass by volume percentage, where we divide the volume of solution by mass of solute into 100. Now let's talk about other types of solutions, like a suspension or the mixture, which is a heterogeneous mixture in which the solute particles do not dissolve but remain suspended, is known as suspension. For example, muddy water, chalk in water, milk of magnesia, paints, etc. Here are the properties of suspension. The size of solute particles are big and can be seen by naked eyes. Particles scatter a beam of light. Path of beam light is visible in suspension. It may or may not show Tyndall effect. Particles can be separated by filtration. It's an unstable solution. Now let's talk about the colloidal solution. In colloidal solution, solute particles are suspended uniformly in solution. It resembles like homogeneous mixture, but it is actual a heterogeneous mixture. Here are the properties of colloidal solution. Size of solute particles are bigger than solution but smaller than suspension. Can be seen by naked eyes. Particles scatter a beam of light easily. It means it always show Tyndall effect. Particles can be separated by filtration. It's a stable solution. Now, what is Tyndall effect? The phenomenon of scattering of beam light due to the presence of colloidal particles. Due to this effect, we can see the path of light. So that was the Tyndall effect. And by this, we have completed our explanation and the concept of the classification of matter on the basis of its chemical composition or purity. I hope you like this presentation. Thanks for watching.